Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to write 1 to 100 in a spreadsheet and Excel. Let's begin. Click on the first cell or anywhere, type 1 and second type 2. Then select 1 and 2, then click the blue handle and draw on your mouse. Okay, and step 2, use sequence formula. Click anywhere, use this formula, then press enter, then automatically fill 100 and again change, again double click, use 1000, press enter. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.